guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing a cleaning video today. It's gonna be a quick one. I'm just cleaning up our master bedroom. It's kind of filthy. I'll show you it in a second, but I just wanted to say hi and welcome. If you're needing more cleaning motivation after this, I have an entire playlist of cleaning stuff on my channel, so I'll link that down below for you. But let's take a look at what we're working with. Here we go. This is real life. The house is never perfect, and there's days where it looks like this. I have a ton of new lingerie sets I got over a month ago and have yet to put away. Old broken keys, just stuff laying out, stuff on the floor. This nightstand is a nightmare. Bed hasn't been made. Sheets need to be washed. The dog's been laying in the bed, and this is his dirty mouth getting the sheets dirty. Aw. Little guy, you're getting the bed dirty. This area, not too bad. We just have a mysterious sock that doesn't have a partner. And then we've got Zachary's nightstand, which is not terrible, but also could use some work. So that's what we will be tackling today. And I'm gonna start with getting these sheets in the wash. Trying to figure out where I should put literally all of this. Yeah, all of my drawers are completely full. Oh my gosh, I just found a drawer. Currently just like a sock drawer. So yeah, we're gonna make this work. Honestly, I do not have the energy and patience or even time to go through this and put all the sets correctly together and all of that jazz, so they're just getting thrown in there. And it's like it never even happened. Look how good that looks! Woo! Okay, we need to wipe it down. For anyone wondering, this is my new favorite cleaner, especially for the mirrors. It's vinegar based, so clean ingredients. I love it. It cleans the mirrors so well, but I also love it on our bedroom furniture because if you can see, everything is topped with this layer of glass. So it's nice to get off like fingerprints and stuff or glass material. Wow, this went even faster than I had expected. Pretty much everything is cleaned up. Of course, minus the bed and vacuuming. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum now, and then later on tonight when the sheets are washed and dried, I will show you making the bed, because that's like the final product. This is just the thing I hate. It's the dog's bed, and this is a big blanket we put in there for him for it to be comfortable, but it just looks floppy and lazy. But I feel like you can't make it perfect when you got pets. I mean, this obviously is an eyesore. We're thinking about getting rid of it because he never goes in there anymore. He's trained enough to not have to go in there when we're gone or if we're getting in trouble or anything like that. So maybe we can get rid of that and stick the bed in the corner. It is what it is for now, but I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum.